How to delete a single picture from your carousel Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will show you how you can delete a particular photo from one of your Instagram carousel posts. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have mistakenly uploaded one of the photos onto your carousel post. You've already posted it, you've received some likes and comments. You don't want to delete the whole post itself, but you want to remove one of the pictures inside it. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end. First off, we're going to start by making sure we have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, and if there is an update button, go ahead and tap on it in order to update it to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, as you can see in my case, I'm going to simply open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure again is that you're basically logged into your account. And after you log in, what you have to do is from the very bottom right hand side, you can see your profile picture. You can simply tap on your profile picture in order to go to your profile page, and as you can see, this is one of our Instagram profiles. Let's go ahead and let me just select one of the posts right over here. You can see I have added up to 4 pictures on this Instagram carousel post. Let's say I want to delete a certain picture out of all this. What I have to do is basically on the top right hand side or next to any of the posts which you want to edit it out, you will be able to see the little 3 dots icon. So as you can see right over here, a little 3 dot icon, what you have to do is tap on it. And in the pop-up menu, you'll find this little button which says edit right at the bottom. So tap on the edit button. As you tap on the edit button, you can see we have the options to also edit our captions and add a few hashtags if you want. But since we are learning how we can remove a particular picture out of this carousel post, let me just go ahead and show you over here. You can see multiple photos, and if you want to delete, let's say this photo for example, what you have to do is on the top left hand corner, you can see this little trash like icon in the circular icon. So in order to remove this photo from our post, we have to simply hit this or tap this little trash icon. Once you do that, you can see it will ask me to delete this media. You can go ahead and tap on the delete button. As soon as you do that, that particular photo will be deleted from your carousel post on Instagram. As you can see, we don't have that picture anymore. And in order to save the changes on the top right hand side, you have to tap on the done button. And this is basically how you can remove a picture or a single picture out of your Instagram post. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.